Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Alienware M18. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a locked BIOS on your Dell Alienware M18, you're not alone. This issue can prevent you from accessing essential settings, and if not addressed, it can lead to further complications with your device's performance. Ignoring this problem might restrict your ability to upgrade your hardware or troubleshoot further issues down the line. To resolve this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic prying tool. Let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible to prevent any electrical hazards. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of your Alienware M18. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the back cover away from the device. Take your time here to avoid any damage to the casing. With the back panel off, locate the CMOS battery. This is typically a small, round battery seated on the motherboard. It's essential for keeping your BIOS settings. If your BIOS is locked, it's often due to a dead or malfunctioning CMOS battery. Carefully disconnect the battery by gently prying it out of its socket. Make sure to pay attention to the orientation so you can replace it correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the old CMOS battery with a new one, ensuring it's seated correctly in the socket. Once that's done, reattach the back cover of your Alienware M18, aligning it properly before pressing down to secure it. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently but firmly to avoid stripping them. After reassembling, plug in your device and power it on. Check if the BIOS is now accessible. If everything is working correctly, great job! To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly check your CMOS battery, especially if your device is a few years old. Keeping your BIOS updated can also help avoid future problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.